Xo'p, xayrli kech hammaga. Bugun ham challenge'imizni davom ettiramiz. Ya'ni yana bitta artikelcha bor bizda. Xuddi o'sha artikelchani biz yana tarjima qilib, lug'atlari va ma'lum bir grammatikalarini ko'rib chiqamiz. Xo'p, title'i The Assembly Line. Menimcha assembly line degani shu yig'ish uchun mo'ljallangan joy, ya'ni biror nimani yig'iladigan joy. Henry Ford was a car builder. Henry Ford, Ford degan narsa o'sha mana odam kashf qilgan, menimcha. Henry Ford was a car builder. U mashina quruvchi bo'lgan ekan. He was not the first to have the idea of the horseless coach. Hop, he was not the first, ya'ni u birinchi bo'lmagan. Matnda tarjima qilsangiz, u birinchi bo'lmagan to have an idea of horseless coach. Ya'ni horseless coach o'tmishda, misol uchun birinchi mashina ixtiro qilinganda shunaqa ibora bo'lgan. Horseless, ya'ni horse degan ot, less bu inkor qiladigan, ya'ni otsiz coach, arava. Coach degani arava, otsiz arava, ya'ni mashina sifatida ishlatilgan. Birinchi bo'lib ixtiro qilinganda mashina deyilmagan, ya'ni car deyilmagan, horseless coach, ya'ni otsiz arava deyilgan. Ya'ni otsiz aravaning ideyasini qilgan birinchi odam bo'lmagan ekan u yerda. The Germans, Daimlers and Benz had invented it, but he was the first to use the assembly line for the mass production. Aytyaptiki, Germans, Daimler degan odam va Benz degan odam invent, ya'ni kashf qilmoq degani, invent buni birinchi kashf qilibdi, lekin o'sha assembly line, o'sha joyni assembly linedan foydalangan birinchi shaxs bo'lgan ekan, mana Henry Ford degan odam. For mass production. Mass production degani yoppasiga ishlab chiqarish. Ya'ni o'sha joyda yoppasiga ishlab chiqarilgan birinchi shaxs o'sha Henry Ford, lekin o'sha horseless coachni ixtiro qilgan odam u emas ekan. His Model T car was the first to be produced on assembly line. Uni Model T deb ataladigan mashinasi o'sha assembly line degan joyda birinchi bor produced qilingan ekan, yaratilgan ekan. The new system cut the time degan narsa ibora, ya'ni vaqtni qisqartirmoq, ya'ni vaqtdan misol uchun 1 soat bo'lgan bo'lsa, o'sha yarim soat 20 minutga. Bu yangi sistema vaqtni qisqartirgan. In which the car was put together. Put together degani bu ham ibora. Yig'moq, ya'ni yig'moq. Misol uchun o'sha mashinalar 14 soatdan 1 soatda 33 minutga tushgan ekan. Ya'ni oldin mana shu sistema ixtiro qilinmasidan oldin u 14 soatda yig'ilgan bo'lsa, hozir bu sistemada o'sha vaqtda yangi sistemada u 1 soat 33 minutga tushgan ekan. Cut the time, vaqtni o'sha vaqtdan bu vaqtga tushirgan ekan. Eventually degani oxir oqibat, ya'ni finallyga sinonim. The price of the car fell from 1,200 to 295. O'shandan keyin oxir oqibat mashinaning narxi, price degan narx $1200 $295 tushibdi. The car lacked certain luxuries, still it could be relied on and did not need much looking after. The car, ya'ni Z ishlatilyapti, chunki carlar ixtiro qilindi, yana hamma bilib bo'ldi buni. Shuning uchun Z aniq bo'ldi mashina. Lack degani yetishmovchilik, ya'ni yetishmaslik. I lack of money yoki I lack money. Menda pul yetishmovchiligi, ya'ni lack degani yetishmovchilik. Certain ma'lum bir, luxury degani hashamat. U mashinada ma'lum bir hashamatlar yo'q ekan, ya'ni yetishmas ekan. Lekin still degani hali hanuz, it could be relied on. Rely on suyanmoq, ya'ni foydalanmoq ma'nosida kelsa ham bo'laveradi. U hali hanuz shu ma'lum bir hashamatlar yetishmasa-da, bu foydalanilgan ekan. Did not need much looking after. Look after degani g'amxo'rlik qilish. Unga unaqa mana shunaqa narsalar yo'q bo'lishiga qaramasdan, unga juda ham bir g'amxo'rlik qilish, ya'ni etbetiga qarash shart bo'lmagan ekan. Soon, o'shandan keyin the Model T became the people's car. O'shandan keyin bu odamlarning mashinasi, ya'ni people's car deganda o'zi mashinasidagi ma'no, ya'ni ommabop ketdi degan ma'noda kelyapti. Ya'ni hozir odamlarning mashinasi bo'ldi degan ma'noda to'g'ridan-to'g'ri tarjima qilsak, lekin tub ma'nosini oladigan bo'lsak, ya'ni odamlar sotib ola boshladi, ya'ni ommalashib ketdi degan ma'noda keladi. After 19 years, when the Model T became obsolete and sales dropped sharply for other car manufacturers copying Ford assembly line system, were able to bring down the cost of much more attractive cars. Ford developed new Model A. Aytyaptiki, 19 yildan so'ng qachonki Model T obsolete degani oldga sinonim, ya'ni eski. Qachonki Model T eskirganda va sales, ya'ni savdo, drop degani tushmoq. Drop sharply, ya'ni qo'qqisdan, ya'ni tikkasiga tushganidan keyin for other car manufacturer copying Ford assembly line system, ya'ni o'sha vaqtda boshqa avtomobil ishlab chiqaruvchilar mana shunaqa Ford assembly line sistemasini hozirgi sistemani copy qilgan ekan, ya'ni o'zlashtirib olgan ekan. O'shanda u o'sha Henry Ford bring down the cost, narxini tushirish kerak bo'lgan ekan. O'sha $295 dan ham yana pastga tushirish kerak ekan, chunki ko'p bozor katta. Cost of much more attractive cars, chunki u o'shandan ham yaxshi mashinalarni narxi past ekan. O'shanda Ford yangi modelni Model A sini ixtiro qilibdi. It2 u ham degani, It2 degani u ham was the most inexpensive car on the market. Inexpensive degani expensive qimmat, in bu yerda inkor yasyapti, ya'ni magazindagi eng arzon mashina bo'lgan ekan bu yerda. Today there was a hardly new manufacturer to be found where Ford's assembly line system is not being utilized for mass production. Hozirgi kunda there hardly degani deyarli yo'q. Yo'q. Hozir deyarli hech bir fabrika yo'qki, o'sha Fordning assembly line sistemasini utilize degani ishlatmoq. Ya'ni 100 ga sinonim ishlatadigan for mass production, ya'ni o'sha mashinalarni ishlab chiqarishga o'sha Fordni sistemasini ishlatmaydigan fabrikalar yo'q ekan. Deyarli hardly degani deyarli yo'q degani. Bitta ikkita uchratmasa. Xo'p, biz buni poni tarjima qilib bo'ldik. Mana shu sariqdagilar biz bilishimiz kerak bo'lgan narsalar va pastiga ketdik va pastda bizga four wheels covered vehicle pulled by horse. To'rt ballonli, g'ildirakli haligi mahsulot transport ot tomonidan tortilgan desa, mana coach degan narsa arava degani, ya'ni o'tmishda aravalar bo'lgan-ku, o'sha coach deyilgan. Coach. Undan keyin an agreement of worker and machine where each worker complete one part production then passes it along the next. Endi mana bu yerda ham bu polni ketdi. Masalan, bitta ishchilarning joyi, qayerki mexanikalar joyi, qayerda bitta ishni bajaradigandan keyin keyingi ishga boshqa odam mas'uliyatni oladigan joy, ya'ni o'sha quriladigan joy. Assembly line degan joy. Xo'p, assembly line. Undan keyin the making of something in large quantity, ya'ni katta miqdorda ishlab chiqarish. Mass production degan narsani ko'rdik tepada. In the end, ya'ni oxir oqibat. Tepada agar yodda saqlagan bo'lsanglar, eventually degan narsani ko'rdik, ya'ni oxir oqibat degani. Not have, without, ya'ni yetishmovchilik biz ko'rdik, lack degan narsani. Not use it, out of date. Out of date degani o'ta eski degani. So late degan narsani ko'rdik agar esda bo'lsa. Quickly to get a great degree, ya'ni katta miqdorga bo'lishi. Sales drop for manufacturers, break down and attractive. Bunisi a person or company that makes the things manufacturerdan oldin kelishi kerak ekan. Hop, drop sharply sales. Manufacture. Make use. Utilize. Quickly to get a great degree. Judayam tez. Sharply, yes, sharply. sharply. Yes, mana bugungi artiklimiz xuddi shunday. Ya'ni biz bilishimiz kerak bo'lgan narsa. Hop, thank you very much. Keyingi video darslarda ko'rishguncha.